Rising from the sea, an opportunity of a lifetime. Welcome to Anguilla, one of the crown jewels of the Caribbean. Overlooking these crystal blue waters is a property with millions already invested, waiting for your personal touch. Straight ahead, everything you need to create your own oasis.
We could start on this really quickly.
The loads of luxury waiting for the winning bidder to complete this estate. Steps away from some of the best water in the world.
There's 1,000 shades of blue right there.
The easy access to your own slice of the Caribbean. And a haven for fun, relaxation, and money. The instant benefits when you call Anguilla home. Cresting above the Caribbean along the northern edge of Anguilla, a dream destination. The goal was to transform these 2.5 acres into a world-class retreat, complete with gorgeous 2-story main house, private villas, pool, and tennis court.
Anyone could actually come in here right now and just take up from this, because everything here is solid.
To show us the quality of these structures, we brought in one of the top builder developers in the Caribbean, Ian Sugar George Edwards.
If someone says to us, look, we have the green light, we're ready to go, we could start on this really quickly. I think continuing this could be a good bargain for someone.
And he isn't just talking about price when he says bargain. Here's where this opportunity gets amazing. All of the hard work and heavy lifting has been done. All of the materials, including the appliances, the doors, the windows, even the bar tiles for the roof, they're all right here on property, ready to go.
The headache and the burden of having to bring things from overseas, you're already past that hurdle. So it's basically a no-brainer.
Well, it's positioned so every room has got a view of the ocean.
Andy Wojak says it was a no-brainer when he decided to build his island home right next door 13 years ago.
We'd been to about 70 different islands trying to find the right one to build a property on, and Anguilla won by far.
One of the first things the owners built when they started construction, this stairway to heaven. Which means you're just steps from some of the best scuba diving and snorkeling in the entire Caribbean. The property sits along Anguilla's largest marine park, and it's all right out your back door. Another perk, Anguilla is a coral and limestone island with plenty of reefs to soften the waves. And it's also the reason Anguilla has miles and piles of this white sugary sand. This is Shoal Bay East, continually ranked as one of the top 10 beaches in the world. And all of this is just a half mile from the property.
We have an opportunity to take advantage of a no-tax or low-tax jurisdiction.
Victor Banks is the chief minister of Anguilla and says along with the various tax advantages of owning property in Anguilla and the process involved, the attraction to this island comes down to the community.
Visitors who come to the island say is that we have great people. We want to make everybody feel special.
Getting to Anguilla is actually a cinch. There are plenty of direct flights from the eastern U.S., Canada, and Europe right to St. Martin, and then it's just a 20-minute boat ride or 5-minute flight over to the island. That means you could be hitting one of Anguilla's 33 beaches, more than 100 restaurants and beach bars, or soaking up your own private views in no time.
Just take a look at this. Could you imagine this, especially in the early morning, you wake up having your cup of coffee and enjoying this? This is life.
It's all right here, one of the top lots on the island with everything you need to build your castle in the Caribbean.